Sound of the $293,200 911 GT2 RS resembles nothing in the current Porsche lineup, or out about right now, period. Sledge the floor-mounted quickening agent pedal and the GT2 RS spits crude, pleasant frequencies that will roll your spine and influence your hair to remain on end. We needed to make a legit turbo, Porsche's Andreas reunion here, who's accountable for Porsche's superior GT scope of autos like the 911 GT3 and Cayman GT4, says, on the grounds that these days turbos have a tendency to get altered in a way that they feel like 10-liter, naturally aspirated, motors, and that is not the fact of the matter. Per Unenger's voice accelerates, similar to a buzzing compressor. I think a turbo engine has such a large number of intriguing sounds and qualities. I needed this turbo to burble and overwhelm, to make murmuring hints of the wastegate and mechanical commotions. The breathing of the motor, the way it develops control, even a little turbo slap, for what reason not? The GT2 RS must be extraordinary, and it is. For sure. An extensive aspect of Unenger's responsibilities includes saving the organization's dawning soul in road-going vehicles, which is an especially basic piece of Porsche's business. Get a GT right, and you can control the fault finders who say the producer is losing the plot by building Cayenne and Panameras, miss the point, and you hazard estranging the diehards and Porsche evangelists. This time around, Unenger went old-fashioned to make that tricky contrast. He dove into the Porsche exhibition hall gathering and put a 1970s Time 935 turbo and a few turbocharged race cars on a lift, estimating things like emission sprinter lengths and the header distances across. That discoveries helped shape the GT2 RS's matchless pride.